Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about nature of roots in a quadratic equation. Okay, so let me share my screen. Yeah, so general form of a quadratic equation, as we know, is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0, means leading coefficient is not equal to 0. Yeah, so as we know, b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation, and roots of quadratic equation is given by the formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now, nature of the roots depends on b square minus 4ac means discriminant. Whenever discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0, roots are real and distinct, means you can get two different real roots. B square minus 4ac equals to 0, roots are real and equal. And when b square minus 4ac less than 0, means when discriminant is negative, we do not have any real roots. So in this case, the roots can be complex numbers. Thank you.